Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, ngicela subscribe and so kade ngithi ngiyathula, I was like minding my own business and then I came across this. Hayi kahle no khanyi mbau bantu benkosi. So now she's in a thingy. I don't know what to call it. But yazini guys, angazi ukuthi it will make a heal for a face or kuyenzakani. But anyway guys, let me just get onto it. Recently khanyi mbau was trending on social media. Etienne, she's baking her face. Apparently, but the reason why she's doing that is because she's tired of maintaining her face, so she wants something which is permanent. Kodwa kahle guys, going through so much pain. So you can see guys, go to khanyi mbau. While we are worried as fans, khanyi mbau is relaxed and having the time of her life. It's like mind pain into yakhe. As long as at the end of the day ugirl is on point, ugirl ona umuhle alright for yena, she's okay with everything. So guys, abantu they went on to asking Gotini, where does khanyi mbau get her money? Because ugirl, I'm sure those things are expensive. The other one went on to say khanyi mbau is simply living there. If you're not happy about it, do something about it. So guys, we know that there were also trends where people were making fun of khanyi mbau, saying good hi khanyi 5 to nokuba China. Some went on to saying that at the end of the day, people will be confused when they ask for khanyi mbau's ID. And the other one went on to saying, guys, at this point, I feel like Khanyi Badiradi experiment kaena and she gets paid. There is no way. Hey, honestly, you might think good no man. Maybe she's getting paid for all those troubles. I mean, the pain. Imagine the pain, guys. But anyway, guys, please do share your thoughts down the comment section and let me know what you have to say about this. And please, guys, do subscribe if you haven't done so.